Oh, my bad. Hey guys, I didn't even know y'all was there. But while y'all there, I'm gonna tell you about two cars that are good for Wisconsin's year-round winter. We all know this ain't one, but I ain't bumped the horn like Ronnie did the other time. He hit his stomach on the horn. Feel me? Nah. But there go one right here, man. This is good for all year round. I mean, you can have that AC blown in the summer, go on camping trips, go to the lake, big family, third wheel, nice all-wheel drive for the winter. So I'd say this is great, I mean, for the summer and the winter, in my eyes. This is a Nissan Armada. It is a truck, it is a SUV, it is huge. Beautiful for the winter, beautiful for the summer. There goes another one. This one's an all-wheel drive, but I want you to come on over here. Because I want to show you this one also. All of our cars are built for winter and summer. So year-round, these are great to have in Wisconsin. I mean, besides that Z you saw me in earlier. That thing is summer, you got to put her away in the garage. Right over here, we have our Altimas, which come in all-wheel drive. So summer is going to be great when you got that nice sedan. You're driving around down by the lake, going out to all these nice rooftop bars, hanging out, bowling, volleyball, doing all that good stuff you guys like to do. Check out the trunk there, you guys. Just wanted to show you a little bit of our lineup. In all reality, our cars are both for winter and summer. All-wheel drive sedans, all-wheel drive SUVs, and supersized truck family trucks. Adam Diaz here at Russ Darrow, Nissan in Milwaukee. Come on down, see me.